Let's introduce Magic Mirror Max. The black hood. Click this button to turn on the machine. Then here you can choose the language you want. Password is 1234. First, we make a new customer information. Put your name, gender, birth date, telephone number, then save it. After that, make a new skin analysis. We use RGB UV-PL3 spectrum. Then put your face here, put your chin here, forehead here, and make a skin analysis. The photos will take 3 times. After skin analysis, adjust the test area. Then make a process analysis. It will check 10 skin problems, RGB pore, support. If you want to remove the mark, just click here. Deep skin problems, porphyrin, pigmentation, moisture, sensitive area, brown area, UV damage, skin aging, skin beautifying. After that, click the report. Here is a general report. You also could put your skincare suggestion on cloud. Here is the recommendations you put on the machine. They also have a 10 skin single report. It's a quantity of the pores, support, wrinkle. All the analysis report could put save on PDF on SD card. how to connect with the Wi-Fi. When you go back to this interface, just click here, slip down, and click Settings, Wi-Fi. Just click the Wi-Fi is okay. Here you have the different options. You just connect it, put the password, then it will be working for the Wi-Fi.